It's for you tech enthusiasts. Ever wondered about the top 5 artificial intelligence tools that can propel your IT journey? Well, wonder no more. First up, we have TensorFlow, a must-know for machine learning. It's open source and user-friendly, making it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. Next, we've got IBM Watson. This AI platform offers an array of services from natural language processing to machine learning, making it a versatile powerhouse. Third on our list is OpenAI. Known for its cutting-edge research, OpenAI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AI. Don't forget about Keras. This Python library is perfect for fast prototyping and supports both convolutional and recurrent networks. Last but not least, we have Apache Mahout. It's great for mathematicians, statisticians, and data scientists who are looking to implement their algorithms. That's it for now. Remember, a tool is only as good as the craftsman wielding it. So pick your favorite, dive in, and start creating. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI.